check this out. So I want to get into some, oh, you know what I need to check? Actually, this worked out perfect. When you get an S26 Ultra, roll right into the next story. Once you get an S26 Ultra, you're going to want to do one thing right when you open it up out of the box. Check for moisture in the camera lens. A small number of people, and I've been seeing this on Reddit, the number of people are growing. Apparently, while manufacturing these devices, I don't know if it's humidity in the warehouse. I don't know if it's a proper seal around that camera island. I had some really good ideas of why they were getting moisture underneath the camera lens. Let me show you the latest person that posted on Reddit what their S26 Ultra looked like right when they unboxed it, right? It didn't look, well, actually, I need to check mine. I was gonna say, it didn't look like mine because mine's dry, but I actually didn't check. So we can check together right now. But you're gonna want to do this. Do not do anything if you see this. So this is the second person on my live stream, my last live stream 2 days ago. There was a whole nother picture that I think it was a white one where there was moisture under the camera lens. Now let me check this right now. Maybe y'all can check for me. I haven't even looked. Damn it. Hang on. It appears to be okay because I think you'd be able to see it. Let me look under the light. Yeah, this one looks okay because you would definitely be able to tell if it looked like this. You would definitely be able to tell if it looked like that. That's not good. Now, I'm going to get into one other issue real quick before we get out of here. But now, again, I don't know how many people that this is affecting. I've seen, this is the second person to post a photo on the Reddit thread. And I've seen a few other people in the comments say they had, now, were they lying? Were they just saying that? We don't know. They didn't post pictures, but they were saying that happened to them. And they found that Reddit thread through a quick Google search. Now, obviously, as more and more people get devices delivered today, tomorrow, throughout the week, even into next week, because there were some colors and storage models that were on back order, that's the first thing you do when you unbox it. Look at that. And for some reason, it's always on the bottom camera. At least the two devices from pictures that I've seen. Check to see if there's moisture. If there is, now look, I don't think it's going to be a huge amount of people, right? I mean, they're selling millions of these devices. Probably, I think they were estimated to sell 12 million S26 Ultras, and I think this pre-order phase is outselling even their projections. So you're looking at almost probably, I don't know, 15 million S25 Ultras. How many are going to have moisture in the lens? I hope not a lot, but theoretically, realistically, probably a few hundred, maybe. Hopefully it's not more. But if that's you or somebody you know, you're going to want to call Samsung. If you download the Shop Samsung app, they have a chat. Sign into your account, and they have a little chat. It's kind of hard. You got to go through the chat just to talk to somebody. It sucks, but you know, you're going to want to let them know. Obviously, document it. Take pictures like this. You want to prove, because you're going to want to return it, right? I mean, who wants to keep one of those? Your photos and videos would be all jacked up, be looking like you're going scuba diving, right? Samsung should not have any issue replacing these devices. Now, they have not made a statement in regards to this, but they might if more and more people start popping up with these issues or jumping online and saying, hey, look at my camera, it's got water in it. This will fall under warranty, and they will replace it for another phone, or you can get your money back. But you're going to want to do that first thing. Or if you get it from Best Buy, right, you can return it. They'll return it, no issue, no problem, right? Carriers, anything like that, you shouldn't have any issues. But you do want to check as soon as you open it. I don't think Samsung will make a statement unless this kind of snowballs. We're kind of in the early stage of this story. So depending on where this goes in the next week or so, they may have to make a statement. But I can guarantee you I can 99% guarantee you that they'll issue you a new phone with no questions asked, because it's kind of embarrassing, right? So they're like, here, hurry up and trade it so we can get these, so these don't show up online again. That's one issue. Now, here is a second issue that I want to show you about.